CoWrks Residency Road is a premium co-working space in Bangalore, situated in the iconic Purva Premier. The workspace is spread across 122,000 plus square feet and comes equipped with well-appointed private studios and meeting rooms. Plug-and-play setups at CoWrks come loaded with amenities such as fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning, tea, coffee, printers, reception area, ergonomic chairs, housekeeping and security. The playful art installations in the community lounges add to the vibe of the space. The flexible office space provides an inspiring and collaborative environment to fuel your productivity and networking skills.
For availability, pricing, customized solutions and exclusive deals, speak to your workspace advisor at Flexo today. For more details, visit the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.